Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2435th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video is coming at you on a Sunday evening, geared for trading Sunday through Monday. Please remember, before we get started, that this is a very risky game. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first. The Omni has been killer accurate lately. It's been calling great trades. That does not mean it's going to be right every day. Put your stops in and put them in first. All right, so Russell 2000 daily bar. We've got a green Omni telling us to buy the dips. But I'm going to tell you right now, traders, the easy money on the upside has already been made. Be nimble with long positions. In other words, being that we're buying dips, if it goes down and we get long, when it starts to head back up and head towards an Omni profit objective or two, we get out and take our profits and we're done with the trading. So that's how we're going to approach the markets for trading on Sunday night through Monday. That's 7/11, right? July 11th, 2022. So again, if you look at this Russell chart, you've got a big resistance line up here, right? Big, strong resistance, but we're not there yet, right? That puts us all the way up in the 1820s, 1830s, and we've got what could be some kind of a channel developing here, and we're not near the top of that yet either, and we are above this average that's been keeping the market in check lately. So for all those reasons, we will continue to buy the dips, although we know we will be extremely cautious when getting long this market. Make sure you are nimble with your long positions. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm there in my live trading room every day. Either my camera and microphone are on, or I'm still there with the cameras off typing to you cats. So join me and spend your days at livewithoscar.com. I will see you there. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Good luck out there. Put your stops in first, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.